as a former president, how will you help your people from this suffering?
Suffering? Ma'am, sinasabi ko na there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
But how is
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di palakpakin, let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll slap our hands and say that the military is takot. Yes, sinabi mo eh. Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like
Silent martial law.
martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, tambalos-los, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na magulo dyan talaga dyan. And to make Martin from speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.